Okay, here we go. Let's add a thing here. UV sphere. Okay, and let's make this. Yeah, this is okay. 64, I suppose. Um, and that's fine, and we're going to smooth it out. Okay, so much for that. Now we got a nice smooth sphere. Now, second step is to add the textures. So I'm gonna go to the shader editor and we're gonna add a new material here for this sphere here. Okay. Um, so I don't even remember uh, what things I actually need here. I need something called text coordinates. Uh, where are you here? Probably input here. Here we go. And that's one of them. And then we need a mapping thingy. Which is here. Okay, make this bigger. And we are going to connect the generated to the vector here. Okay, now the exciting part, we're going to add these texture thingies here, image texture, and we are going to add 3 of them. One is going to here. We're going to open up from here. I have, where the heck are you? Here, 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 here. Okay, number 1. Yeah. So that we can see what it looks like here. This will go down to base color. Now we should see something that looks completely wrong. Um, this is actually going to be smart. And this is a sphere. And this is a single image, correct. And the rest is all right. And by Jove, it looks okay, I must say. But we're not done. We're going to add another one of these guys. Put it down here. We got 3 things going on here. You got the image itself, we got the spectral map, and then we have the normal map. So this one, like the other one, it goes to the vector goes into the vector, and then here, the color will go to the specular here. And let's open up the same thing here. Go to D, where my thing is here. Oh, come on. Okay, so images 8K. This is the spectral map. Okay, same story here. This is a sphere. This is smart. Exactly. So much for that. And now one more. There you go. Let's move these guys over here. Let's give us a little bit of space. Same thing here. And this guy is going to go down to the normal color. Goes to normal here. Okay. All right. Here, here, there, 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 here, aka normal. There we go. Okay. Ah, but wait a second. We're missing something here, aren't we? I don't know where this thing is. Here we go. There we go. This is kind of, let's go to example 2, the Himalayas here, and you can see, wait a second. This is not working the way yeah, we're doing this, we're doing a mistake here. Smart. Okay. This is actually non-color also. My bad. Now look at it. Let's see. Check this out. Can you see the mountains kind of, does that look nice, huh? That looks very nice. As you go in here, you can see the mountains at a certain range. They look kind of cool. It looks three-dimensional. That looks very nice. Okay, that's setting up the globe itself. We can save this. The next step is going to be spinning it. Actually, we can just do it right now. So that's so much for that. Then we'll go to the timeline here. We have the sphere highlighted here, and we are going to spin it on the z-axis, and we'll insert a keyframe here. We're going to go all the way to 180, and then here this will be scale. The heck am I doing? Rotation, what we're talking about. My bad. They want this one. Insert keyframe. So go to 180, and this should be 360 or 360. Yeah. Insert keyframe. Okay, so as you can see, it spins. The only thing is, it spins at a non-linear rate here. And we need to fix that. So what we're going to do is and then we want all of them to spin at a linear rate here. That's pretty much it. If you want, you can change the focus here, but it's kind of nice. We can end this at 180, and then it'll constantly rotate here. Yeah. Okay, so much for that.